Hey guys, I am doing another Regents word problem. This is taken from the August 2022 Regents exam. I'm going to jump into it. Same process. Try this on your own first, and then watch the video and see how closely you come up with the equations, and also if you solve it correctly. Right. First thing, let's read it. So it says ice cream shop sells small and large sundaes. Um, Usually when I see this, I know this is going to be in a standard form, the AX plus BY form, right? I know that because it's giving me two things that that they're buying or something like that. That's the usual format for a lot of these kind of word problems. So it says one day they bought 30 small sundaes and 50 large sundaes, and it cost them $420. And another day they went back and they bought 15 small sundaes, 35 large sundaes. It cost them $270. So they tell you that X is the cost of a small sundae and Y is the cost of a large sundae. So all you're going to do is you're going to go wherever you see small sundae, you're going to replace it with the X. So we had 30 X's, and then we had another 15 X's. And you're going to do the same thing for the large. You're going to replace the large with Y. So we had 50Y plus 35Y. And we also know the cost. So we're going to write those two equations. I'll write one in red, one in blue. So the first one is 30X plus 50Y equals $420. Second one, another day they went back. It was 15X plus 35Y equals 270. All right, so we got two equations. We got a system there. And this is 2 points, guys. An easy 2 points if I'm being honest. There's nothing really difficult about these questions once you understand that they're linear and they're either in standard form or slope-intercept form. Um, this is generally the kind of format that they have, so we got to take advantage of it. All right, and then the second part, it says they're saying do it algebraically. Even if you know how to do the algebra, my advice is to graph it first, find your answer, then do the algebra, and they should match. Okay, so I'm going to do the graph. So actually, I'm going to do this algebraically. I'm going to do it algebraically, but I'm going to keep to my word and I'm going to do the graphing first because I want to be consistent. All right, so let's go do this. Okay, so we're here. Now, it's not function notation form, it's standard form, so I'm going to put in as a relation. And so we got 30x plus 50y equals 420. Press enter. All right. And now what we're going to do is enter the second one. So it's 15x. Oops. 50x plus 35y equals 270. And press enter. All right, so I'm going to pull this down so you can actually see the intersection. And then we're going to do menu 64. Menu 64. Start on the left of the intersection. Keep pulling until you see the word intersection pop. And then that's your answer. So we had 4 small sundaes and 6 large sundaes. So I can go and write that answer down with some confidence. So I have 4 large. Oh, I got it backwards. I had 4 small and 6 large. Now I'm going to do it algebraically. So now let me see, what's the best way to do this? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do elimination. And what I'm going to do is I am going to multiply the entire, oops, I'm not showing this. All right. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the entire second equation by a -2. And the reason that I'm doing that is Once I do that, this is going to be a negative 30. And when I add these two equations together, the x's are going to cancel out. That's why I'm doing that, right? So I'm going to rewrite the first one. It's going to be 30x plus 50y equals 420. And then I'm going to write the second one, multiplying it by a negative 2. So this is going to be a negative 30x minus, this is going to be 75y, because, or I'm sorry, not 75. It's going to be 70. It's going to be 70y equals, and what is that? Going to be 5040. So it's going to be a negative 540. Okay. So all I did was multiply everything in here by 2, the entire equation. Now I'm going to add them. These are going to cancel out. That's why I'm doing it. This is going to be a negative 20y. And this is going to be, what's 540 minus 420? That's going to be a negative 120. All right, and then I divide both sides by negative 20. And so y is equal to 6, which we already saw. And then you're going to take this and then plug it into one of the equations and then solve for x. And x is going to be 6. All right, so I think that's it. But look, even if you do it algebraically, do that. Do the graphing first. There's no reason to miss these kinds of questions, especially if you have a graphing calculator. You just have to, you guys use it, okay? All right, I'm going to stop, post this to my word problem list, and do a couple more. All right, bye.